Okay, everyone stand. Okay. Now, do you have any marking in front of you? Okay. Others, any marking in front of you at the eye level? If nothing, just mark something on the wall. Put a small something which you can see, or take one tape or something and just fix it there. Okay, arbitrary, like, okay, I know where is the point. That normally does not work. There has to be something to look at. So yes, in front of your eyes, exactly at the eye level. Now keep looking at that particular point and not to move the head. Rotate your body. Rotate your body. Come on. Rotate as much as you can. As much as you can. Turn. See, and look in front. Look here. See, what happened is you moved everything. Your head also moved, your eyes also moved, everything moved. You should see, when I'm looking at you, I'm looking at you only now. See, my body is turning, but my head, my eyes, I continue to look at you. Okay, then I come back here. This thing is not moving. You don't have to move this. This remains fixed, facing front. Look here, Padma madam, look in front here towards me. You have to continue looking towards me. Let the body and the shoulder move. You continue looking at me. Continue looking at me. Very good. Turn as much as you can. Hold it there. And then, yes, now look straight. Look straight. Padma madam, look at me.
I'm looking at you only.
No, I see you turning your head on the other side. I don't want that. Continue looking towards me. Turn to the opposite side. Continue looking at me. Continue looking at me. Not your head should not move. Opposite side turning. Anusha, turn. Yes, very good. Shanti madam, turn. Turn, turn. Stay there for a moment. Turn opposite side. Continue looking towards me. Continue looking towards me. Yes. Turn the opposite side. Shanti madam, turn. Turn. Turn, 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 turn. Yes. Now towards your left. Continue looking ahead. This movement should not happen. Look towards me. Yes, go, go, go. Right. Right, right, right. Turn right. Turn right. Anusha, still more. Turn, turn, turn. Very good. Left. Left. Turn. Turn. Still more. Still more. Turn, turn. Yes, let the body fully turn. Excellent. Yes, continue looking towards me. Now right, left, left. Yes, turn. Anusha, still more. Still, go. Continue looking towards me, Anusha. Yes, very good. Left, left. Yes, turn towards your left. Turn towards your left. Okay, now right. Good morning, Rita. Namaste.
Morning.
Now you just wait. We'll take it for the next exercise. This is getting over. Right, left. Turn towards your left. Look towards me. Look towards me. Continue looking towards me. Turn your body towards the left. Turn, Shanti madam, or turn left. Shanti madam, left. Turn, 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 turn. This thing, the hips. Rotate your hips. Yes. And look straight now. Okay. Fine. Now, the next. Keep your hands like this. Okay. Now, front, back, front, how much ever front it can, you can pull your elbows, pulling front, pulling back, front and back, elbows, but hands remain here, front, back, 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 front, and back, down. Okay, now you are sitting on a chair. Listen to me first. You sit on the chair. You will be in front of you at the eye level. Keep your eyes focused on an object in front of you. The eyes will remain focused there. You will go down like this, front, and down, but eyes remain focused there. And then you come up. Okay? The eyes remain there and you will just go little down and front. You are moving like this. You are like this. You will be moving like this. Okay? This is the movement. But exactly in front of your eyes, focus on some object. Head level. Head level. Focus on some object. कुछ नहीं है तो दीवार पर एक मार्क कर दो. Sit on a chair. At your head level, mark something in front of you and put a circle in front of you on the wall. And continue to look at the wall. That particular circle. ठीक है, आपके सामने में कुछ तो keep something in front of your eyes there. Keep yourself focused. Eyes remain focused. You are constantly looking at that particular object or the circle. And then you, in sitting, you move. Go. Yes, pull yourself front. Keep looking at the object and pull yourself front, as if you are trying to touch something in front of you. Come, still more. Keep looking at the object. Yes, now continue looking at the object, go back. Continue looking at the object and go back. Back straight. Again, come front. Come. Yes, continue looking at the object. Very good. Now go back. Front. Very good. Go back. Come front. You have to sit on a chair. You need, at the head level. Mark something in front of you at the head level. Sit on the chair and then keep your hands out. Continue looking at that object in front of you and pull yourself front as if you're trying to reach to touch something. And go back. Pull yourself front. Front. Yes, and come back. Continue to look towards the object. Front. Everyone, front. Yes, move. Padma madam, move. Senior Padma, yes. Now go back. Hands down. Relax for a while. Again. Take it. Look towards the object and move. Go. Stretch your hands as much as you can. Stretch your body as much as you can and come back. you don't have to go down, you have to go front. Come, front, front, yes, front, very good. Hands should not go towards the floor. And go back, excellent. Again, once more. Hands out in front and go. Try to touch something imaginary in front of you. Hold it there for a while. Continue looking at the object in front of you. Hold it there for a while and go back. Very good. Hands down, relax. Now, you have a table or a chair or anything. Whatever you have, hold it. Hold just a little bent, not fully bent, a little bent this, and in front of you, you will be moving your hand as if you are standing and making some curry, moving it. So this is the front. Okay, hold something just like this, a table or something, just hold in front of you. Your lower back should remain, you see the lower back remains straight. It should not be like this, has to be straight. I want to see everybody's lower back straight. I don't want it to be like this. This is not what is required. I want it straight. Everyone hold something, a table or something, and bend a bit. A chair. Padma madam.
Yes.
You have a table in front of you. Some table is there or chair is there. Hold that. And
I'm holding.
And plus, it is not like big. It is just in front of you. Don't take your hand up.
Okay.
It is just in front of you, down, like this. Okay, let me see everybody doing. Please do it. Yes, in front of you. Get it closer to your body, a little away from the body, closer to the body, little away from the body. Yes, that's good. Now we will start. Start everybody doing it. Yes, you will be moving clockwise. Shanti madam, bend a little. Bend forward a little. Shanti madam, bend. Yes. Yes. Senior Padma madam, bend little. Bend. क्या हो गया? Everybody's backs are hurting or what? Bend. Rita madam, you are making your back curved like this. सीधा करो अपना पीठ. एकदम सीधा करके ऐसे हिप से बेंड करो. हिप से बेंड. हाँ, correct. Now start clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Indira, bring it closer to the body also. 11, 12, close to your body. 13, 14, don't make bigger circles. 15, no bigger circles. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Wait, Shanti madam, you made a very good curry. I like the taste. What you were doing? You are doing this. Where is the shoulder moving? I want this straight. I want this movement. You are doing this. And I don't want like this, bigger ones. Just niche, samne, samne. This much is enough. Everybody is trying to make bigger circles. Don't do that. Anti-clockwise now. Bend a little. Bend forward and start anti-clockwise. 1, 2, Indira, close to the body. 3, 4, close to the body in front of you. 5, very good, Anusha. 6, yes, Rita madam. 7, 8, very good, Padma. 9, 10, small circle, Padma, bend. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, bank Padma, bend. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Senior Padma, madam, not supposed to be doing this. It is in front of your body, not like this. Come on. The other hand. Please do it correct. I'm constantly telling you, but I don't find you actually giving a thought on whatever I'm saying. It's like I end up saying what I want to say, you end up doing what you want to do. Please don't do so. Listen to what I'm trying to say. I want you to bend a bit like this. I want you to do in front of you, not on the side. No, not here. Front. Here, front. Like this. In front. Bend a little. Don't move big circles. Nahi chahiye. Come on, start. Other hand, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Shanti madam, elbow straight. 12, 13, 14, 15. No bending of the elbow. 16, 17. Padma, small circles. 18, 19. Small circle close to your body. 20. Yes. Presume there is a big fire in front of you. If you take a bigger circle, you may lose balance. You will fall into that vessel. Try to make it slow. Small circles, you will be able to balance yourself. You won't fall in that big vessel of curry. Anti-clockwise. Start. 1, 2. Padma bend. 3, 4, 5, 6. Anusha, little closer to the body. 7, 8. Good. 9, 10. Excellent. 11. Padma, small circles. 12, 13, 14, 15. Indira, close to the body. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Stand up. Was it so difficult that I had to give itna sara instructions? I think it was the simplest exercise. Now, you were doing it in front. Now we are doing it on the side. So a little bend and on the side. Little bend and here on the side. So you will be taking it front, out, back, and like this. This is the circle. Okay, it should not come here. Now it has to go back also. Like this.
I don't know. Now how many hands?
Okay. Yes, correct, Anusha. Yes, correct. Indira, थोड़ा छोटा सर्कल बनाओ. This is MGM का वो बड़ा 1 meter dosa. Small circle. In Padma, you need to bend from your hips. Yes, correct. Keep your elbows straight. This is like a stick. No movement here. सोचो कोई tight dress पहना है, elbow में movement नहीं होता है. Think like that. Let us start clockwise. 1, on the side. 2, 3. Very good. Round. 4.
Correct.
Yes, correct. 5. Round. 6. Very good. 7. Yes, continue, Padma madam. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Padma madam karo. 14, 15. Very good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, good. 17, 18, 19, 20. Other side. All set. Start. 1 clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4. Shanti madam, keep your elbow stiff. 5, 6. Good. Padma, bend ho jao samne. 7. Bend from the hip. 8. Bend down. 9. Yes. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. सीधा हो जाइए. Okay. Now the next. Stand straight. All of you stand straight. Padma madam, stand straight. Padma madam, stand straight. क्या हो गया? वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया क्या? पद्मा मैडम, हाँ, stand straight.
Yeah, 1 minute.
हाँ, ठीक है. Your video was frozen.
Yeah, because there was no internet.
Okay, no problems. Now you have to lift your leg up. 1, 2. Okay. So we are not doing this. नहीं. Straight रहना है. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Come, let's lie down. Okay. If you are comfortable this way, you keep it straight. If you are comfortable like this, keep it like this. It's your choice. bend the elbow, keep your hand like this. From here, you go straight and then up, again bend, bring it down. Straight, up, down, bend. Let's start. Who is this? I cannot see you. हाँ नीचे आइए और बस ठीक है. Okay. There's another one. Who is this? Yes, Padma.
Yes,
फोन
yes.
आप नीचे आ जाओ नहीं तो फोन ऊपर ले लो.
अच्छा हाँ हैंड्स का मूवमेंट मेरे को फिर से थोड़ा
हैंड
बताएंगे.
मूवमेंट आई शुड सी.
नहीं मैं देख नहीं पाई आपका हैंड मूवमेंट. आई कुड सी ओनली योर चेस्ट.
You could not see me.
हाँ.
See, you are doing it. Oh, sorry. It's
नहीं
like.
अभी
Okay.
हाँ now we can see. Now I can see your bed. Okay.
Okay. Your
हाँ.
elbow रखना है ऐसे. Then take it up and up, down and bend.
Okay.
ठीक है. Right and left, both the hands together. We are going to do. Both the hands, elbow bend like this. Up.
Yes, stop.
And overhead, up, down, bend, up, down, down, up, down and down, up, down and down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. I'm increasing the speed now. Up, down, down. Go with my count. You have to be faster. Up, down, down, up, down and down, up, down, down, up, down and down. Now sideways. Be sideways like this. Elbow bend. Okay, like this bend. Now lift up and take it up. Bend, bring it down. Bend elbow up, bend, down, up, down, 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 down. Shanti madam, making faster. Up, down, down, up, down and down. Turn to the opposite side. All set? Perfect. Bend your elbow. Bend the elbow. Yes, start. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 up, down and down. Now, look towards me. You will be lying ulta, face down. You will lie face down, and in that face down position, you have to take both the hands up like this. Okay, so you are lying down this way, and by the side, both the hands up. One. Okay, come on, lie down ulta, everyone. Face down. Okay, both the hands up, backwards. Down one. Up. Down two. Up. Down three. Up. Down four. Up. Down five. Up. Down six. Up. Down seven. Up. Down eight. Up. Down nine. Up. Down 10. Okay. Now, your legs. Lift. You just be this way. One leg up. Okay. Leg up. Up. Fine. Let us start with the right leg alternatively. Start. One. Left two. Right three. Good. Left four. Right five. Left six. Right seven. What happened? Left eight. Right nine. Left 10. What happened, Padma?
I'm
No,
doing.
Right 11.
my leg was hitting my sofa, so I
Okay.
had
Left 12. Yes, Padma madam, continue. Right 12. Left 13. Right 14. Lift from the thighs. Right 15. Left 16. Right 17. Left 18. Right 19. थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Yes. Left 20. No problem. My counting was little wrong. Okay. That's good. Now the next. I think the next we should do it in standing, sitting. We'll do this. Okay. Now you'll be sitting. You have to lie down, not sitting. Sorry, lie down. Okay. Your leg here. No lifting, no bending, nothing doing. From here, you have to pull it up. Drag the neck up. Like this. From the hip. Drag it up. It's like 1, 2. So in the lying position, like even standing, I'll show you. This up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here. 6. In lying, pull it. Drag. From the hips, pull the leg up. Yes, yes, let me see everybody. Whether they're doing it right. Anusha, please do. Okay. The other leg. One by one leg up, one leg automatically goes down. You don't have to push down. As you pull the other leg up, this one will go down. So you concentrate on pulling the legs alternatively up. The other will just follow. Yes, kariyega. Shanti madam, please do. Drag the leg up from the hip up towards the shoulder. हाँ ठीक है, आप स्टैंडिंग में कर सकते हैं, स्टैंडिंग में कर लीजिए, दैट्स ओके. यस यस इंदिरा, करेक्ट. पद्मा करो, हाँ करेक्ट, गुड. पद्मा मैडम, यस. No, Padma madam. But then you are lifting your hips up. Don't lift it. Just drag it.
Okay, just drag it, okay.
You are able to drag, but that lifting is also happening. Avoid that.
Okay, okay.
Don't lift. Pull it up. हाँ रीटा मैम सही है, आप खड़ा रह के कर रहे हो, करेक्ट है, कोई बात नहीं. ओके, स्टार्ट करिए रीटा. पुल एक एक करके दिखाओ, ऑल्टरनेटिवली वन बाय वन. Okay, correct. Now let's start everyone together. Right, pull your right up. Pull, left. Right. 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 And left. Now turn to your side. See, if you are on your left side, the left leg is bent. Bend the left, right straight. Okay. You have to lift your right leg up and bring it in front as much as you can. Then we take it back and down. Up, front as much as you can without bending the knee. And then back and down. Okay, let me see everybody doing up, front, back, down. Very good. Up, front, back, and down. Up, front, back, down. Up, front, back, down. Up, front, back, down. Up, front, back, and down. Okay, other side. Either you turn or you change your head position. Choice is yours. Lower leg bent, upper leg straight. Okay. Up, front, back, down. Up, front, back, down. Up, front, back, down. Up, very good. What happened? Front, back, down. Correct, correct, correct. उठाइए, up, front, very good. Back, down. Up, front, back, down. Anusha, still more up. Up, correct. Front, back, down. Up, front, back, down. Last. Up, front, back, and down. Okay. Now, sit. Legs out in front. Sit. You can keep both the hands at the back. Sit straight. Pull yourself up. Don't be like this. Straight. Okay. Both the legs are together. Now out, in. So you will be like this way now. You're pulling the legs out, in, out, in, but in sitting. Those who are finding it difficult to sit like that, you can go near the wall. Support yourself with the wall, sit straight. And then you to pull in, out, out. Those who find it difficult to take support with the hands, go sit against the wall. Sitting against the wall is also okay. There is no such problems. It's okay. Knee straight, body straight. In, one, in, two, in, three, in, four, in, five, in, six, in, seven, in, eight, in, nine, in, 10. Take your legs in. Do you have a chair? Please sit on the chair. If you have a chair, sit on the chair, sit erect. Okay, sit erect, pull yourself up straight. If your feet are not touching down, please keep a pillow there, a cushion there. Let your feet remain flat on the ground. Perfect, very good. Both the hands up, legs out. Both the hands up and straight, go down, 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 down. Try to touch the floor. And come up. Straight, you should not touch the backrest. Up, down, up, not to touch the backrest. Down, up, down, very good. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, last, down and up. Okay. Now, how many of you can understand? See, when you're sitting on the chair like this, it's this particular curve. Make. I should show you. Okay. Now you can see this curve. Flatten it. Increase. In sitting, try to make this curve deep, and you need to just move front and back like this. See, when you're sitting like this, it's like flattening. Okay. Flatten it. Become straight totally. Then arch. Make it straight. Make it arched. Let me see everybody's arch first. Then it will be easier. I want to see the arch. Take the arch as much as deep you can. Then flat. Okay. And flat now. Flatten it. Now again arch. Flat. Arch. I want to see the arch, everybody's. And flat. Arch. Arch, arch, arch. Very good, very good. Flat. Flat, 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 flat. Push, push, push. Yes, good. Arch. Arch, 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 arch. Flat. Flatten it. Ah, good. That's nice. Arch. Arch. Yes, yes, yes. And flat. Arch. And flat. Arch. And flat. Arch. And flat. Arch, 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 arch. Good, 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 good. And flat. Arch. Flat. Yes. Arch. Flat. I'm so happy to see that you all can actually arch your back and flatten it, because that particular movement, whenever your back is tired or you have been standing for long and you feel tired and all, just sit down somewhere and do this type of arching, flattening, arching and flattening. It relaxes the muscles over there. You will feel better. You may not feel instantly better, but then you will not land up with any severe back pains. That's the advantage. So whenever you feel like, suppose you go somewhere, you're traveling somewhere, immigration pe, khada, you're standing at the immigration for 1 hour or something. And then after that is tired. So it's like wherever you find the place, just sit down there and do a couple of, say, maybe for some 3 to 4 minutes, do arching, flattening, and then keep going. You will not have pain, lingering pain or acute pain later. It won't be there. So it helps you. You go for shopping, you go to the mall, 2 hours, 3 hours, just walking in the mall here and there. Coming home, just sit down and do this first. Very slowly. Don't do as vigorous movements. नहीं करना है. आराम से arch करो. Hold for a while. Maybe some 2 to 3 milliseconds. Then reverse the movement. Then again arch. Then again reverse. Slowly, slowly. Do for about 3 to 4 minutes and leave it. You will be good. So that's very good. So I hope you enjoyed the sessions. Thank you so much. And tomorrow we are going to do strengthening. The mobilities are done. Tomorrow we are doing the strengthening exercises. And then day after the strengthening, again, there are 2 different types of strengthening. So one day we will take one type, the next day we will take the other type. And then the next day, I want to take very specific females oriented exercise, that is the pelvic muscles. So the pelvic muscles basically for like, you know, as the age advances, the urine control tends to become a little lesser, or people, those who have some sort of metabolic problems like diabetes, those people have got less muscle control. So they are, so whenever you sneeze or cough or laugh or jump, drops of urine comes out. So how to take care of that? It becomes very embarrassing. There are times when really it's like even we know when patients, the moment they walk in, by the smell, we know there is something not right. And but then when the person herself is not reporting, it becomes difficult for us to highlight that issue. So what normally I do is, like, without their knowledge, without them understanding that I know what is happening, I'll somehow add these exercises in their program. Without they knowing that it is being attended, we attend to it and finish it off. They don't even know what has happened, but purpose is solved. That's the best part of it. So these are the exercises which we will be having on day 5, pelvic muscle exercises that we'll have. And the last day will be the balancing exercises. The major reason for all the fractures after the age of 50 is not because your bones are weak, it is because you tend to fall. Your balance is not good. When your balance is not good, you fall. See, it is like, you know, in the earlier age, that is like in a younger age, not earlier, in the younger age, whenever you miss a step or you land upon some slippery surface, you do a movement and you balance yourself, you don't fall. But as the age advances, even that thing, and you try doing it, but you're not able to stop, you go. So this fall is the major reason for the fractures. Yes, okay, fine, agreed. Menopause related bone density kam ho gaya rahega, age related bone density kam ho gaya. All those things are there. They are there. These are normal physiological processes which we do not have much control on. But we do have a good control on our own movements. We can ensure that we are not falling. That we can do. Somebody says that your menopause hai, bones are weak, take calcium. No, that is stupidity. None, how much ever amount of calcium you take, you cannot improve the bone density. How much amount of calcium you take with the age, you cannot improve. Vitamin D, you cannot improve the bone density. Those are physiological changes, genetic changes. Some people, even at the age of 80, they have got such beautiful bones. You really feel jealous, like, you know, wow, how good they are. But then there are some people at the age of 30 also, we are worried how these people are going to manage their further life. Both ends are there. So in our hand, we have balance control. We can maintain a good balance and ensure that we minimize the risk of fall. That we can do. So we'll work on that on the day 6. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, same time. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.